I'm Balazs Halmos, thoracic oncologist from Montefiore Einstein, and greatly honored to co-chair New York Lung. Now, for the last 5 years, I've had the pleasure of doing so, first with Dr. Chris from Sloan Kettering, and this year now with Dr. Jamie Chaff from Sloan Kettering as well, who will bring youthful energy to our prestigious meeting. This is a big year for us, as it is the 20th anniversary for New York Lung, and we will try our very best to live up to this big birthday with an outstanding program and terrific faculty as always. Our meeting will be held on Saturday, November 15, in an extremely convenient location at the New York Midtown Hilton, just a few blocks between Times Square and Central Park. I believe people who have ever attended New York Lung will attest that our meeting is just a supercharged one-day event, not just covering all key evolving topics in lung cancer management, from early stage to the latest and greatest novel drugs, but addressing how to implement them into our daily practice for the very next patient you might see Monday morning. This year, we will have 3 excellent sessions focusing on updates in management of early stage, resectable and unresectable lung cancer, then integration of immunotherapy, ADCs, BiTEs, you name it. And lastly, small cell lung cancer management and practical considerations of biomarker-driven targeted therapies. This will be complemented by 2 tumor board style sessions and challenging case presentations. These are always fan favorites given the tremendous conversations and friendly banter of leading practitioners from around the tri-state area. That New York being in the center of the best city in the United States and beyond is just such a fun event. Number one, you can start your day with a nice jog in Central Park, come to our event, then step out, maybe visit my favorite, cart in New York City, the Biryani cart on 6th Avenue and, 46th Street. And lastly, in the evening after New York Lung, you can just enjoy all the great restaurants and shows of New York City after a wonderful, very instructive day. So a lot to do beyond just kind of the academic, learning that you get from New York Lung.